Hello from OGS Mechanics Workshop. We have a job in today where we can conclude again that water and electrics, they don't go well together. It's the case on this Mini that came in for the wipers not working along with electric windows and lights. And responsible for this is this part, which is called the body control module, that had the water ingress, as it can be seen on several parts in here. And this had happened because of a failure of a trim on the upper side of the A-pillar. Now, the body control module is fitted inside the car on this side of the A-pillar, and because of a failure of a simple plastic clip seal, as it can be shown here, water has traveled all the way in through the pillar inside the cabin, and then obviously in the module, causing this failure. As it can be seen, the carpet is still soaking wet, and you'll need drying up. So from a minor thing, from a minor seal, it ended up to a quite expensive repair. Again, a glimpse on the repair that we carry out here in OGS Mechanics Workshop. So if you need anything from a simple general service to a major engine rebuild or diagnostic and programming, do give us a call and we'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you.